Hey everyone. Good friend of mine dropped off some cards. Well, dropped off actually all his cards and let me kind of pick and choose which ones I work on. So I'm gonna try working on this Hypno from Legendary Collections. So we have some stuff on here that I can't fix, like this all this whitening on the front. But if you look, see that crease there? I think I'm gonna try and work that out. We have a couple dents right there too. Some scratching, and it's pretty dirty up here. So we'll work on that. Luckily, this crease didn't make it all the way through. There's an indent, but it's not all the way through. So I think we can make this card look a lot better. Um, I'm gonna put this in the humidor. I guess first let's clean it up a bit. Got got some nasty stuff right there. Let's see. Hopefully this comes off easily. Oh yeah. That's yeah, that's something on there. Oh, see. Oh, let's see. There's a dent right there. Get it back. Uh, looks like it's folded up right there. So I think we'll be able to push back some of that. Turn it. Yeah, I think it's still there. Lots of scratches. You can see all the scratches on this. So we'll also touch it up once we get the main stuff worked on. Tons of scratches. Let me bring it up a little bit. Hopefully you guys saw the cleaning. Might be something right there. Yep, right there. Dirty. Got that off. And this whitening right here. None of that I can get. I'll go back to the beginning to show you where that dent was. Right there. All the corners look like they need work done. Lots of scratches all throughout. Oh, we have another, looks like another crease right there. Let's see if I can get it to focus better. There. Yep, I think we could get that out. Nice crease. You can tell all this edge is lifted up. We'll be able to compress that back down. Got that edge. Oh, there's some more gunk. Right there. Come on. I don't want to push too hard. There we go. That's looking a little bit better. Cool. Man, this thing is dirty. Yeah, so I think, let me turn on some more light. No, that's not working. Figure out why, but I think that's a little speck of dust. Right. I will just make sure. Yeah, that doesn't wipe off. So nothing I can do with that area. Oh, there's a chunk. Probably gonna get a new thing, but let's do this. So I'm gonna, oops, sorry guys. Take a little pad, a couple sprays. Now just take it and wipe it across the whole card. Get all the big stuff off, hopefully. Turn it over. The back's looking fairly clean. Probably just wipe it down really quick. All right, this can go in the humidor overnight. Let some moisture get into it so we can flatten it out. Thanks for watching.